Okay, we're gonna begin with part 8, question number 10. Okay,
Okay.
this question is solve the following equations. All right, now you remember that what is the meaning of the solve? Solve means to solve, to find out the value of unknown, right?
Yeah.
So value of unknown here is x. How can you solve this?
Um,
Any idea how can we make it?
sir, since we have e and minus 2e,
Mhm.
can't we subtract
No, they
subtract
cannot
those
be.
together
They
and
cannot be subtracted. What if I say you have x square and minus 2x? Will you subtract these numbers? Are they like terms?
yeah,
Okay. So see, they are not like terms because this x having the 2 power on it and this x having 1 power. Okay, they are not like terms, right?
okay.
Here, you can add x plus x. You can add x square and x square, but you cannot add x square and x, right? Similarly,
Yeah,
you can subtract x and x. You can subtract x square and x square. You can, but you cannot subtract this x square minus x square. Is this clear? Right?
yeah,
So that means if you add them, you will be writing 2x. If you add them, you will have 2x square because their coefficients are added. What coefficient is? The number that is written here is the coefficient. Okay. So
okay.
what if I write what if I write 3x here, right? So your answer would be 3x minus x is going to be 2x. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And if I put uh 5x square, so your answer would be 4x square, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear. And similarly, if I say this is 6x square, so you cannot subtract it, so you can't do anything. You will just leave it, okay? As
Okay.
6x square minus x. That's all. But if you are asked to factorize it, then the scenario would be different. If you are asked to factorize, okay, to factorize means, yes, to factorize means make make the expression in the product form, right? Or
Yes, sir.
make factors. So what you do is you will take common, right? So what is common in these two terms? X is common, right? So you're gonna take
Yeah,
X common and then you will put a bracket and there 6 will come and this x square from x square 1x has already
yeah.
been
So it'll
taken
be
common.
x.
So only one x will come, right? And then
Yeah,
this minus 1 is there and this x has already been taken common, so there will be only 1 which is left. Okay, now
yeah. Okay.
in order to do the cross check whether this factors that we have made, are they correct or not, so what you do, you will expand the bracket. Okay, so when you expand the bracket, so you are going reverse, you are going back.
Mm,
Okay, so x times x
okay.
will be x square, and here the 6 is there, x times 1 is going to be x, right? So are we getting this
Yes, sir.
that we had here?
Yeah.
So that's how you play with the variables. Okay,
Okay.
right? Any variable, if the bases are same, they can be multiplied. Okay, they can
Okay.
be multiplied. When we do multiplication having the base same, so we get a power, where the powers are added. Okay, this is how the multiplication
Okay.
is done. But if I have the variables x, y, and z, and I want to multiply them, so I cannot add their powers, right? Because the bases are not same. So therefore, I'm going to write x, y, z only. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, if I have x plus y plus z, so I can't do anything. Why? Because they are not like terms. Okay. So we will keep this as it is. What if I have x square plus x and plus x cube? Are they like terms? They are not like terms. Their bases are same, but they are not like terms. Is this clear?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
They cannot be added. Now, what do you think? Uh, are these two like terms? Exponential 2x and exponential x. Are they like terms?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, this is x squared
Also, no, 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 they're not like
and this
terms.
is x. Yeah, they are not, right? So they are
Yeah, I
not
thought
like
I was looking at X, Y, and Z.
x, y, and z. They are also not like terms, okay? X, y, and z, they are not like terms, right?
Okay.
All right. Now what I can do here, can I uh can I write this exponential x to the power square? Yes.
Yeah.
And then I will keep this exponential x there. Okay. Now what I am looking here, what I am observing here, that this exponential x and this exponential x, right? So they
Yes,
are
sir.
written twice here, right? So can I suppose, can I do the let exponential x equals to y, okay, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to call this equation number one, and this is equation number two. Now I am going to put in equation number one whatever I have supposed here. Okay, whatever I have supposed here, so I'm going to put it here, right? So I will write y here, y, okay, and there will be the x, sorry, a square y, because you can see here this exponential whole exponential x is considered as y. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then what I have done here, I have written y under this bracket, and the square power is there. Yes, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
We are just plugging this exponential x equal to y in the equation number one. Now minus sign will come, and then 2 is there, exponential x. What is exponential x? What we have supposed for exponential x? We are calling exponential x equal to y, right?
Yes, sir.
Are we calling exponential x equal to y?
Yeah.
Yeah. So should I write y here?
Yes, sir.
And then there is a equal to sign. Yes.
Yeah.
Are you getting with which which equation am I working on?
Yeah. Yeah. I get it.
This one, right? This equation. I'm
Yeah.
working on this equation, okay? So exponential
Yeah.
x square minus 2y and then 15, right? So what are you going
Yes,
to do
sir.
now?
Do we try to keep y square the subject?
Yes,
Hello?
so now we can, yeah, I can hear you. So what if I write a y square here and then minus 2y equals to 15, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, do I have a quadratic equation here?
Yeah.
जी एक्चुअली आई एम टेकिंग ए क्लास। ठीक है, मैं आई हैव आई हैव ड्रॉप्ड अ मैसेज और वेट। Yes, so all right. We were on this step, right? Okay, so y square minus 2y minus 15. Now what I can do, I can apply the quadratic formula. Either I can apply quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square
Mm.
minus 4ac upon 2a.
Yeah.
You must have studied this,
Yeah, I've memorized it.
okay? Or
I
or
had a test on this in my school, like during distance learning a week ago.
okay. So did you have this, or are you going to have this test?
No, I already had it.
Okay, right. Okay, now can you find out the factors of 15? Because if you multiply this guy, this 15 with the coefficient of y square, so you will get 15 times 1, 15, right? So how will you
Yeah.
factorize 15 in such a way when you product those numbers, you get 15, and when you do sum, you get minus 2. You get this guy, okay? So
Okay.
find out the two numbers, find out the two numbers, okay, if it is possible. Find the two numbers when they are, product. So they give you 15, and when you add them, okay, or when you do the sum, you get minus 2. You
Okay.
have
Do you want me to do this
30 seconds or
question?
1 minute, okay?
Okay. Sir.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't think there are any real numbers.
Oh, really? Okay. If you multiply 5 and 3, will you get 15?
5 and 2.
5 and 3. When you multiply 5 and 3, will you get 15?
Yes, sir.
When you sum them, okay, so will you get minus 2? How can you get
Yeah.
minus 2? So the minus sign should be given to minus sign should be given to 5, and the positive sign is going to be for 3, right? So that you get minus 2. Are we getting the two numbers when
Yeah.
they sum, they give you minus 2, and when they are product, so they give you 15, right? So please
Yeah.
do the practice of these questions, okay?
Okay.
We had already done these type of questions right before in finding the end or end function, end behavior, and zeros of the function, right? These all things
Yeah.
have already been discussed. So that's going to be minus 5y and then 3y and then the 15 equals to 0. What I have done here, I have replaced this minus 2 with minus 5 and plus 3y. Okay. Will they
Yes, sir.
give you minus 5 plus 3y? Will they give you minus 2y? Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to take common in these two terms as usual we do in factorization. So we will take y common, right? And y square is there. So when you take y common, so there will be y inside the bracket. Okay. And then put a 5, and the y of 5 is already been taken common, right? So you have taken y common from y square and y, right? And then
Yeah.
you are going to take common in these two terms again, right? Okay. This is
Yes, sir.
to do the factorization, right, in the quadratic equation. Now the 3 will be taken common because 3 and 15, right? 3 can cancel out the 3 itself, and 3 can cancel out 15 as well, right? So you will take 3 common,
Yes, sir.
okay? And this y will come inside the bracket, and this minus will come, okay? And this 5 will be there, okay? Now, are you observing the two brackets which are same? Y minus 5, y minus
Yeah.
5. Yeah, they are same. So what are you going to do? You will take these two brackets common, y minus 5, and then you will be left with this guy. Oh, sorry. You'll left with this guy, this one, and this one, right? So what will be this? Yeah, so this guy will y, and this guy will be 3 and equals to 0. So actually what we are trying to do, we are trying to find out the value, right? Now again, refer the question solve. Solve means to find out the value of unknown. In the given question, we have the value, we have the unknown x, right? And then we wrote the equation, the given equation in a different way, and then we have come up with the supposition where we suppose that exponential x is equal to y, right? So now we can replace
Yes, sir.
exponential x with y. This is what we did. And now we come up with the quadratic equation where we applied the factorization method to find out the values of these values of y, right? Now we have the two brackets equal to 0. So what we can do, we will we will do either and or, right? Either y minus 5 equal to 0, or y plus 3 equal to 0, right? So you will have this minus 5
Yeah.
on the right hand side, y equals to 5, and this plus 3 will be on the right hand side. So it will be minus 3, right? So finally you got y equal to 5 and y equal to minus 3. Till here, is there any question? Is there any question to ask? Hello?
No, sir. I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, what I'm going to do, I will put these two values, okay, one by one in this equation number 2. Why? Because in this step, we supposed the variable equal to y, right? So finding value of x, for that, we need to put the value of y in the equation number 2, right? So we will write y equal to when y equal to 5, So we're gonna plug in equation number 2. The equation number 2 says that exponential x equals to y, right? Can you see here
Yes, sir.
this guy, this equation, this step? Yeah. So this exponential x equals to
Yes, sir.
y, which is going to be 5. Okay. Now we have this
Yeah.
form exponential x equal to 5. What we can do? Either you write in the log form, right, where you keep the as a base. You remember how to convert the argument to the value and the value to the argument. Yes, I've been
Yeah.
explaining this concept as well. So the
Okay.
base will remain be a base, okay, of log, right? And this
Yeah.
this power will become the value, and this value becomes a argument. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, could you find out the value log base e5 from the calculator?
Yeah.
What answer are we
Sir,
getting?
1.609.
1.609.
Yeah.
Eh, let me do the cross check. Question number 10, part 8. Can you find value of ln5?
ln5. Okay.
Ln, natural log.
Yes, the same 1.609.
Okay, 1.609. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, are we left with another value of y? Because we have just put y equal to 5. Are we going
Yeah.
to put another value of y? Do we have another value?
3.
Yeah, -3. It's not 3, -3. Okay. So
Okay.
the same working is going to be done. Y equal to -3, right? Now equation number 2.
Yes, sir.
Again, you are going to plug the value in equation number 2, which is exponential x equal to y, right? So
Yes, sir.
exponential x equal to y, which is -3. Y is actually -3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, uh, you are going to shift, you will transfer, or you will convert this exponential x in the logarithm form. So you will write logarithm. The base is
Base E.
remain the e. The -3 will come
Negative
as
3
the
is equal to
argument,
x.
and this x is going to be your value, right? Now, again, plug in the calculator log base e, right? -3. What value are you getting?
So I'm getting a syntax error.
Are we getting syntax error?
Yeah.
So that means y equal to -3 is not a possible answer. Okay.
Okay. So
So
it'll be 0.
yeah, it's not going to be, no, not 0, not 0, not 0. Okay. So
Okay.
not accepted. You will simply write not accepted. Okay. So our
Okay.
final answer is going to be, x equals to uh 1.609, which is also equal to ln5, right?
Yeah.
Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another thing, I can also do this this step, this one, okay, in this way. I have this form, exponential x equal to 5. Can I apply ln on both sides? Ln on both sides.
Yeah.
Ln on both sides, right? So without
Yes,
the
sir.
calculator, we can find out this. Okay, the power becomes, you remember, the power becomes a coefficient,
Yes, sir.
and ln e is 1. Now get this information from the calculator. What is ln e? Is it giving 1?
Let me check. Yes, sir, it's giving 1.
right? So x times 1 is x, so you will be getting ln 5. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'll be getting the same answer in both of the ways. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So now we're gonna have another class after just 9 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Office.